Hey guys, in this video I am about to show you 4 ways to make money through coding. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video and make sure you watch it till the end. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 4. Creating a YouTube channel. You can showcase your coding skills and help millions of people out there who are looking for valuable coding content. With the rise of online learning, there is a growing demand for high-quality coding tutorials and educational content. By creating a coding YouTube channel, you can share your expertise, provide helpful tips and advice, and connect with the global audience. You can monetize your YouTube channel through various methods such as ads and sponsorships. However, creating a successful coding YouTube channel requires time, effort, and dedication. You need to create engaging and informative content, build a loyal audience, and constantly improve your skills and knowledge. But for those who are passionate about coding and teaching, creating a coding channel can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money through coding. Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that my videos would reach you once I upload them. Let's proceed with the video. Number 3. Create online courses. When it comes to upskilling, online courses are great ways to gain knowledge. By creating online courses, you can share your expertise and knowledge, help others develop new skills, and earn money through course sales or subscriptions. You can create courses on various coding topics such as web development, machine learning, or app development and sell them on popular online learning platforms such as Udemy and Coursera. However, creating online coding courses requires significant time and effort, from course design and content creation to video recording and editing. Nevertheless, for those who are passionate about coding and teaching, creating online courses can be a rewarding and profitable way to earn money through coding. Number 2. Participate in hackathons. Participating in hackathons is an excellent way to earn money and gain experience through coding. Hackathons are events where programmers, developers, and designers come together to collaborate, innovate, and create solutions to real-world problems within a short time frame. These events provide an opportunity to showcase your coding skills, work on exciting projects, network with industry professionals, and potentially win cash prizes or job offers. Participating in hackathons can also help you develop new skills, improve your problem-solving abilities, and gain valuable experience working under pressure. Overall, participating in hackathons can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money and experience through coding while connecting with the broader tech community. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing can be particularly beneficial for those who want to supplement their income, work from home, or travel while working. Freelancing also provides an opportunity to build a diverse portfolio of work, gain valuable experience, and expand your network of contacts. However, it is worth noting that freelancing can be competitive, and it may take time to establish yourself and build a reputation as a reliable and skilled freelancer. But with dedication and hard work, freelancing as a way to earn money through coding can be a rewarding and profitable career choice. Well, at the end of the day, your coding skills and time is way more important than money. So, choose to spend your time wisely and equip yourself with the necessary skills. So there you go guys, and I hope this video inspired you to learn how to code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.